Good morning, everyone. I am Miss Mahi, and today I am going to recite a beautiful poem. The title of my poem is Make It Green. So let's start. Lives are crying because it's not clean. Earth is dying because it's not green. Earth is our dear mother. Don't pollute it. She gives us food and shelter. Just salute it. With global warming, it's in danger. Let's save it by becoming a strong ranger. With dying trees and animals, it's in sorrow. Make green today and green tomorrow. With melting snow, one day it will sink. How can we save it? Just think. Trees are precious, preserve it. Water is a treasure, reserve it. Grow more trees and make Mother Earth green. Reduce pollution and make her a queen. Thank you.